Make a great choice today with the 2017 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control magnetic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, front suspension type, inverted struts, daytime running lights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.